Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Karen Prudence, Let's Stitch and Makeup. Thank you for joining me today. I know with everything going on right now, life is busy, and I appreciate everybody who stops by my channel to come and visit with me. So we're in my kitchen today, somewhere new. We've never been in there before. I'm trying to hide my dishes in the dryer, so don't look. Anywho, today my video is in collab with Beebeecrafts. I signed up for their YouTube program and I got to pick out $40 worth of products, and they have all sorts of craft materials, everything from making cards, paper crafts, beadwork. They even have some yarn related stuff. So I went online and I went shopping and I got a couple of goodies to share with you. So you get your $40 in US funds. You get to go on the website. You pick out the items working up to $40, free shipping, and there's no cost out of your pocket whatsoever. And they send you the product. And so today I'm going to show you it and show you all the little goodies that I got, and then later on I'll make another video and show you what I made with these items. And just to let you know as well, if you're interested in doing the YouTube program, all the links will be down below, and all they require is that you have 100 or more subscribers, and it's really great. My stuff, they said it would come between 5 to 7 days. I got it in 6 business days. So that is just wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to stop my babbling and I will show you the first thing that I got. And it came in this package here. And even customs took a little look-see in there and seemed everything was okay. So here we go. Here is the first item in this nice plastic bag, and it's a nice stamp set. So I'm just recently getting into making cards. I've done a couple of get-togethers with a couple of other YouTube gals, and we made cards. They were being taught how to make cards, and so I thought, well, why not get my own stamp set? So this awesome set comes with four different stamps, I mean, and each stamp, I can bring it in nice and close here. You know what, I'll show you on this one here. I'll come in nice and close. So each stamp is these little individual pieces here. We have so much glare going on. Maybe if I do this. There we go. So there is a little heart, and you peel that off, and which is really awesome, it came with this block. So I am going to open up the block so we can take a closer look at it and show you. So here is the clear block. Again, I'll show you on a piece of paper. Maybe not the best color here. You can't really see it on white, can you? Can you see it on here? No, that's not any better. Oh, well, look, I think you can see it there. Yeah, so you see my paw right through. And so you stick that stamp to it, and then you have an ink pad, and if this was the ink pad, you just on there, and then you have the stamp. And look at how big that is. You could get so many of these on to this one block to stamp your paper with it. And so you get everything in here. Like you can make a little calendar because we got the days and everything. You got the numbers and whatnot. As well as here you have all the different months, October, September, the numbers, a little grid. And then we have this one, which have some leaves and tree stems. And isn't that cool? All the different numbers and everything. So you can make a lot of different things with these stamps. So this is my start of this whole stamp kit. Isn't that nice? I just thought it was great. Now for the yarny related. So look at this. Look at this. And bam! Look at that. It's to make pom-poms. Isn't that awesome? I don't have a pom-pom maker. So I was like, oh my gosh. And there's so many to choose from. There was ones, I've got the one with the 4 different skeins of yarn. There was ones with other amounts. There was 6, 8 skeins, little skeins that come with it. So here is the pom-pom makers. You have 4 different sizes. Isn't that wonderful? You have the little tiny baby one, the next up, the medium, and the grand large one right here. I cannot wait to try this. I'm so excited about it. And then you get these. All these right here. Aren't they great? Now we have a black. Nice black one. And then brown. I'll come in nice and close and you can see. Gray. Yeah. And then kind of like a cream color. And these are all, you know what, they're pretty soft. They're not that bad at all. And, you know, these are the basic colors that, you know, a lot of times that you use when you make hats. And right now I'm working on a gray hat. So this would look really great, or even the black would look really good with it. Well, actually, even the cream would look really good with it. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be making myself a pom-pom. I most likely will use either the large or the medium for it. I haven't decided which one. So those are all the wonderful, wonderful goodies I got. So if you want to check them out, I'll have all the information down below. And once again, it's Beebeecrafts. And if you want to go to their website, it's beebeecrafts.com. And then check it out for yourself. And all orders worldwide, they have free shipping after $25. So isn't that awesome? I mean, $25 and then free, if you buy something worth $25, you get, or more, you get free shipping. Like, not very many places offer free shipping. And especially for us in Canada, we do pay a lot more in shipping. So free shipping, that is a plus for me, because I could buy a lot of nice goodies like this and then get free shipping. So thank you for joining me today. The stamp set that I got is $12.74 US, and the pom-pom maker that comes with the yarn is $14.49 US. So those come out to $27.23. So that's not a bad deal at all. That's pretty good, because I've been looking all over, and just to get this alone, and it usually comes in a set of 3, is a lot more, and you don't get the yarn with it either. And then the block alone can cost you a good amount of money besides all these stamps. So, and if you were to buy that, that's over $25, you would get free shipping. I will come back in about a week and show you what I made with these goodies. I will show you each one separately. So thanks again for coming. Have yourselves a great rest of the week. And I look forward to seeing you in the next videos, showing off what I do with these awesome materials. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.